Understanding Menstrual Pads, an Essential Guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're discussing an important topic: menstrual pads. This video will provide you with a clear understanding of what menstrual pads are, their purpose, and related terminology. So, let's get started and dive into this essential subject. Menstrual pads, also known as sanitary pads or napkins, are absorbent items used by women during their menstrual cycle. These pads are designed to absorb menstrual blood, providing comfort and protection. They are made from layers of absorbent material and come in various sizes and thicknesses to cater to different flow levels. Menstrual pads are typically worn inside underwear and have adhesive strips to keep them in place. There are various types of menstrual pads to accommodate different needs. Disposable pads. These are single-use pads, which are thrown away after use. Reusable pads, made from fabric. These pads can be washed and reused. Organic pads. These are made from organic materials and are often biodegradable. Ultra-thin pads. Designed for lighter flow days, these pads are less bulky. Overnight pads. Longer and more absorbent. They are designed for use while sleeping. Using a menstrual pad is simple. 1. Remove the pad from the packaging. Peel off the backing to expose the adhesive. 2. Place the pad. Stick the pad onto your underwear, ensuring it's centered. 3. Change regularly. It's important to change your pad every few hours to maintain hygiene. Maintaining hygiene while using menstrual pads is crucial. Change regularly. To avoid irritation or infection, change your pad every 4 to 6 hours. Proper disposal. Wrap used disposable pads in toilet paper and dispose of them in a trash bin. Washing hands. Always wash your hands before and after changing your pad. Can menstrual pads cause allergies? Some may experience irritation from certain materials. Opt for hypoallergenic or organic pads if needed. How do I know which size to use? Choose a size based on your menstrual flow. Lighter flows require thinner pads, while heavier flows need larger, more absorbent pads. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the use and importance of menstrual pads. Remember, menstrual health is a vital part of women's health, and having the right information is key. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English language learning video.